1-inch wood spacers are relatively safe for Toyota, especially since they are hub-centric spacers. At this thickness, you start to notice subtle changes in the vehicle's appearance and handling. For Toyota owners who occasionally drive off-road but also use their vehicle on city streets, 1-inch tire spacers are the balanced choice. Wood spacers can help create extra wheel track weight. They are fitted between the wheel hub assembly and the wheel to increase space. By providing a more even distribution of weight across the wheel assembly, hub-centric wood spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components. This can reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns.
Being a high-end wood spacer company, it is sure that the designs are exquisite and geared towards improving performance. A key advantage of BONOSS wood spacer is the active cooling feature. These wood spacers are designed with pintle-shaped grooves. The grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, actively dissipating heat for the braking system.
BONOSS wood spacers are crafted from 7075-T6, 6061-T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles.
These BONOSS active cooling hub-centric spacers are vehicle specific. This means they are made according to your vehicle specification, so you are worry-free about vibration issue. That's all for today's video. If you want to get these BONOSS spacers, please see the link below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!